Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to my channel, and today we're doing something big, really big. And I also have a little bit of beef, a little bit. So, the big thing that we're doing today is Mini Brands Retro. And it is a advent calendar, so I gotta get this open. And I think I already know how to get it open. I was looking at it before I started this video. But, so, I get to tell you a story while I'm opening these. So, I have been a big taker with DoorDash I joined back when we were down in Tennessee. And so, actually, no, I didn't join one. Well, I did, but every DoorDasher that I tried to get to go out into the middle of nowhere said, nope, we can't do that. So I just quit on the whole DoorDash thing. Once we got back here, which was about a year, almost 2 years ago, I started using DoorDash. So, DoorDash has never really truly wronged me. But today they wronged me by giving me a DoorDasher that smokes. Now, my grandparents on my dad's side used to smoke, and they smoked their entire lives. So anytime a drop of smoke comes in, I freaking cough and hack, and it's nasty and gross. So this entire box smells like smoke from the DoorDasher. So I have a little bit of beef with DoorDash now. Give me a heart attack. Dude. It keeps falling over. It keeps wanting to fall over. So, anyway, let's just jump right into it. Now, I have seen people unbox, not the retro style, but unbox advent calendars. I'm just going to rush through it. So, we're going to start with one. Maybe. I might have to cut it. Haha, never mind. I don't have to cut it. I got it. Oh, and it's not really retro. Spam. I got spam. Or, for you guys, it's maps. I got spam. You can see the little freaking... Oh, here, let me turn my camera around. There we go. Now it's the right way for you guys. And so, it's like the entire, actual, the original box of spam. Well, can, I should say can. So, that was number one. Mini retro brands that fit in your hand. I'll turn my camera around every time I open one. Or I could pause the video and just open all of these and show you what I got. I'm probably not going to do that. That one was easy to crack open. By the way, guys, I'm sure there's probably a guide in here somewhere. But I got... Oh! Did I get Charmin Charlie perfume or something? I don't even know what this is. It looks like perfume. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm guessing that's from Charming Charlie because it has Charlie. If I could focus on it. Focus on that anything. Has Charlie on it. I'm guessing that's perfume. But I'm not entirely sure. So that was 2. Now I'm on to 3. And 3 is right there. And now you guys understand why I need a camera that is behind me so you guys can see what everything that I'm doing. Oh my god, that's insane. I'm guessing this is probably a special one because it's golden, but it's for all the younger kids out there. I at least know what this is because my parents have a lot of it. But it's Kodiak Vision film. And I know what Kodiak is because, like I said, my mom and dad and my grandpa and grandma on both sides had a lot of old film stuff. And Kodiak film is like one of the oldest things ever. Well, not ever, but you know what I mean. Actually, I think on the box itself has all the ingredients that you can get. So, like, I got Spam. So that, and then I got the Charming Charlie one, and then I got, well, it doesn't say Charming Charlie, so I'm guessing that's like, I don't know, it's just perfume. And then I got the Kodiak, and then you can get hot tamales, like the original box of hot tamales, Revlon makeup, Dum Dums. Sorry, I've been saying Kodiak. Kodak. I forgot. It's not Kodiak, it's Kodak. You can get more Kodak film. Fruit Loops, like the original, like, branding. I haven't seen the original branding in forever. And you might be asking, wait, what? How have you ever seen the Fruit Loops? You don't even look that old. Have you seen the original Fruit Loops box? I have because my friends, one of my older friends, that's weird. Her dad works at Kellogg's. That's, my tongue does not seem to work today. And then I got car wax, and it's called Turtle Wax. It's this bottle. I've never even heard of that. 5 is up here. Oh! So, before Hershey's syrup was like an actual thing, it used to come as, I think, a mix, and so you'd mix it up and it would turn into syrup. I'm guessing that's what this is. I don't know. And then, or maybe it's just Hershey's brand of hot chocolate mix. I'm not entirely sure. I've never seen this. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's like syrup in a can. I don't know. I've never seen anything like that. 6. We are going for 6. Or was, yeah, that was 5. Okay, 6. 6 is right here. That's funny. I got a Life magazine of Man's Journey to the Moon, which was in actually it doesn't say. Okay, wait a minute. Give me a second, guys. Yeah, I can't read that tiny. There's a date at the bottom of the magazine. It says April 27th, but I can't read the actual year because the year is tinier than the April 27th. So we move on. 7. I'll do 7 and 8 together. If I could get 7 open, that is. Oh, what? I've never seen it that before. That's funny. Okay, so I've never seen this thing before. It's called Dinty Moore. I'm sure there's some of the older folks that are out there know what Dinty Moore is, but it's beef stew, and it comes in this little tiny can. And then I got the Dum Dums Pops, and if you've ever seen the packages that are plastic that have like, they're supposed to have like little tiny candies inside, it's just foam. It's just memory foam that's in there. It's just a little foam. So, there. Can never see it from this side. There we go. They're there. And then there is the Dinty Moore can beef stew. Never heard of that one before. Okay, 9 and 10. Oh, no way. That's crazy. And there's an actual little one in there. That's insane. Ah, speaking of hot tamales. That came out of nowhere. Sorry, guys. I got this hot tamales, and that's the original box. There used to be a firefighter on it. And yeah, that's what they look like. Let me see the back. And the back is pretty much the same thing. And then look at this. Okay, look at this. So, it is, by the way, Scotch, the brand of tape, used to make cassette tapes. Cassette tape. No, I'm not going to even make that joke. But, on the inside, check this out. This is so freaking cool. There was an actual cassette tape. And it's a little tiny cassette tape. And it goes in this little slot. And then when you close it, it's like a little cassette tape. That is insane. I have to show this to my mom and dad. Because my mom and dad will just be like, that's insane. Because a few nights ago, or actually no, it's been a few weeks now, I got a mini brand and I got a Beauty and the Beast VHS tape. That is a movie, like the original animated Beauty and the Beast, in a VHS tape. And my mom looked at it and she's like, "Oh my god, that is amazing! That's so cool." I'm like, "It is really cool because I wasn't born in that generation." Whoa, what is that? Oh! Please tell me this opens up. No, it doesn't actually open up. Dang it. That sucks. Whoa! And then the original Mike and Ike. Okay, so I got Revlon, and this is supposed to be makeup. It doesn't actually open up, but I wish it did, because that'd be freaking sweet. At least I don't think it actually opens up. I tried opening it up. I don't think it actually opens up. And then I got the original Mike and Ike's with the same box, because they were, like, I think the same company. Pretty sure they are the same company. Now, I don't know if that's true now. I don't know if they're the same company still. But here's the Revlon makeup. At least I think it's makeup. It might just be a mirror. Okay. Now we're on, that was 12. The Mike and Ike's were 12, so 13 and 14. Whoa, that is sweet. Dull pineapple slices. So, I got the original Tony the Tiger Frosted Flakes. That is what he used to look like. Not even kidding you. Win $5 a week allowance for a whole year. And they used to have, I was about to say, they used to have like little contests. You had to do like specific things or find specific things, and then Dole sliced pineapple. Okay. Dole trying running away. The Dole can tried running away. I'm telling you guys, I can't speak today. The other Kodak. That's sweet. Which is just a film box. It's just another box. Whoa, I don't know what that is. It's... Oh, I think it's a car battery. Or something. It looks like a car battery, but it could just be a 9-volt. Well, it says 67 amps. Sorry, volts. 67.5 volts. So I'm not sure if it's... I'm guessing this is a car battery, because it comes with the minus and plus on top. But, I don't know. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, 17 and 18. Hey, I think you got the Better Homes and Gardens. Yep, I did. And 18. Okay. Yeah, I can't open it. So it's a Better Homes and Gardens cookbook. And it has like a picnic table pattern on it. New cookbook. And it's very plain. It just has that on the back. Which, I mean, at the time it was. Now it has a bunch of different stuff on it. And then I got raisins. I don't really like raisins. Honestly, I don't think Sunmade has changed a whole lot in the past few, like, since they have their original brand. Okay, guys, I'm going to pop the rest and then I'll tell you what I got. Just a second. Okay, so I got 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So this is a 19 and 20. So this is 19. It's oil treatment. Kinda weird car stuff. And then for 20, I got Skippy peanut butter. 21, I got Hershey Kisses in their original box, which I've never even seen before. And then I got, for 22, I got Better Homes and Gardens, another magazine. But instead of being a cookbook, I think it's just a magazine. 23, I got Fruit Loops with Toucan Sam. And 24, I got Planters cheese balls in the original can. Okay, so that is everything. Probably some of these I'll be selling, and then some of them I will probably keep. Like the older ones, I'm probably going to keep for my mom and dad to look at. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will be posting another video or going live sometime this week. Friday I have to work, so it probably won't be Friday. But anyway, thank you guys so much. And subscribe, like, comment, share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.